All right, let's see how far down the bottom of the well is. 2, 3, 4, 6. Right at 20 feet deep to the top of the well. 20 feet, so minus the 9, that 10 feet of total water. Something eat my head. All right, let me get that all covered up again. Then on to the next projects. Don't have a lot more time for the night. Got a work project to work on before I go to bed. We gotta figure out a brush pile, a wood burning pile. There's some kids that ride their four-wheelers through here. Back there, there's an old railroad track. No more railroad, just a path, which is really kind of cool. We'll show you that sometime. But he was real nice. He came up to me and asked permission. Are they allowed to keep on riding on this trail? I said, as long as they're not tearing it up, I'm okay with that for until we break ground. And then we'll probably have to say no after that. And then, but then after that, he came up. He was like, "Golly, you're doing a lot of work." And I was like, "Yep, and we got a lot more to do." He's like, "Hey, when I get my three-wheeler fixed, you want me to pull that big old log up out of there?" I was like, "Yeah, that'd be great." Really nice of him. He's 14 years old, so nice people so far. Things are going good. All right, we'll see you again. I don't know if I'll record every day or if this will be a every few days, but we'll show progress over time. All right, bye.